So now I've assigned this part of material as well, and it's ready to be used in the project. And if we go to the family types, we can just change the type like this. I can both create its type here beforehand, or I can just go ahead and use this one that we have here. You can choose whichever option that you prefer. So let's see what we have after this. Let me go here and put this on 3, the type, and then OK. Then I'll close this, yes here, and then we go back to the 3D view. So now we want to use the families that we created here. And if we go into this menu, we can see them. Let me just go back to the plan for now, and then open up the north view. Then I'll open up this level. So let's see what we have here. We have a J1 here, and the joists are headed this way as well. So I'll go to the Insert tab, and then I'll click on the Load Family option, and then here I'll select the folder that I've saved these families in. Here, open this up, then this folder, then Files, then Families, and here we have the joist file, and I can also delete the backup files. So let me just get rid of these so we can get the folder as light as possible and our work as clean as possible. There we go. Delete this one as well. Then select all of these, get rid of them too. And then, all right. And then I'll go here and select the joist file. Here we have the polystyrene and the rebar and the jack as well. So for now, I'll go here and select the beam and the joist and the polystyrene file and open them up. So if you take a look at the AutoCAD file, we can see that it's using the J1 type in the plan. Here it says J1. And then after that, we have J2 down here. And then all this area up here is using J1. So I'll go back to the Revit file, and from the Structure tab, I'll go here and select the beam system, and then from the beam type, select the J1 type, and then after that, let's see, we have the justification that we should just leave it on beginning for now. And after that, we go to the layout rule, put this on fixed distance, and then I'll put the distance on 0.6. And if I select this part, you can see how it lays out. And then I'll click on this, and let's see if it places the beams correctly. All right, now I'll close this, and then I'll hit WT and put these next to each other. There seems to be an issue because these aren't joists. It seems like I've selected the beam type instead of the joist type. So I'll go here in this menu, and then I'll select the joist that says type 1 from here. And then after that, let's see, what does this say? All right, and there you go. So now I'll go here and click on the beam system again, put this on 0.6, and then select the type 1 joist from here. And then I'll go here in the plan and click on this part. Let's see. All right, there we go. After that, I'll click on this part as well. So the warning that we get here is not really important. It says that there's a slight difference, maybe like 0.1 of a millimeter between our drawing and the axis, and it's not really important. and so we won't have any issues. All right, after that, let me go here and click on this. After that, I'll go to this part of the plan and click on the beam system option again. And because we have type 2 for this part, I'll select the joist type 2 and then click on this part using the same dimensions. All right, then we scroll over, and this area that we want to cover now also includes this part down here as well. So first I'll go to the right and draw this part out. Let's see, click on it, and then okay, and then we go to the middle part. In situations like these, we can use sketch. So here I'll go and select this beam and then this one, all of them around this area. All right, then delete this because the selected one was located on the other side. So I'll go here and click on this side. Then we go down here and then trim this one. All right. After that, using align, I'll connect these up. Select a line and then trim this part, and then we go over here, trim this one as well. So in this area, the joist that we need to draw need to be vertical. Trim this one, and so they need to be in this direction and parallel with these lines. So I'll go here and select beam direction, and or you know what, because the line on the side here is not completely vertical, I'll select this, and using line, I'll draw a completely straight and vertical line. And so now the joists are going to be straight as well. And there we go. And then for the tags that we have here, we can go here and select them and then delete. And now it looks clean. And in this part where it looks kind of diagonal, I can go here and select this. See, the reasoning is that this side is diagonal as well. So here, select line and then draw a vertical line here in the middle and then finish it up. So now we can get our work just a bit cleaner and these lines completely vertical. So after that, I'll go here and click on edit again and then put these on the inside. Then select this, then click on here, and after that, finish it up. So if you want to do quality work, you need to do these patiently and carefully. So using this method, you can put the joists up in all